The Manuscript of Golohab. There was once a traveler who came upon a mountain whose summit disappeared into the clouds. At its base gathered countless people. Some stared upward with longing, others with fear. Many spoke of reaching the summit. Few ever began climbing. The traveler asked an old shepherd, "Why do so many remain here?" The shepherd smiled. Some believe the mountain is too difficult. Others believe they must first become worthy of climbing it. The traveler thanked him and began the ascent. The lower paths were gentle. The air was cool. Streams flowed between ancient stones. The journey felt peaceful. But the higher the traveler climbed, the narrower the path became. Strong winds pushed against every step. Loose stones shifted beneath weary feet. More than once the traveler considered turning back. Along the cliffs stood travelers who had stopped climbing. Some had built comfortable shelters. Others warned of dangers farther ahead. There is no need to climb any higher, they said. Everything worth finding is already here. Still, the traveler continued. After many days, they reached a broad plateau where another group had gathered. These travelers wore magnificent robes and carried polished staffs. They spoke proudly of the heights they had conquered. They pointed toward the valleys below. "Look how far we have risen. Look how small the people below appear." The traveler looked where they pointed. The people below did seem small. Then the traveler looked upward. The summit still disappeared into the clouds. An old woman sat quietly upon a stone overlooking the valley. She carried no staff. She wore no robes. The traveler asked, "Have you reached the summit?" She laughed softly. "The summit?" She pointed toward the mountain. "The mountain does not ask you to rise above others. It asks whether you are willing to continue climbing yourself." The traveler remained silent. Together they watched the wind move through the trees far below. After a long while, she stood. She did not climb ahead. She did not remain behind. She simply continued walking. The traveler followed, step after step, stone after stone. Neither spoke, neither hurried. As evening settled across the mountain, the clouds slowly parted. The traveler looked toward the summit. It was beautiful, not because it stood above the valleys, but because it belonged to the same earth. The traveler smiled, then continued climbing, not to become greater than anyone, but because each step revealed another way of becoming whole.